Traders, this is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach Aftermarket Update for the live trading alert call room. Today is Monday, October 15th, and I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. I'm going to go through everything really quick here. We had up to 9 trades today in the room, but really it was only 6. The first 3 trades I identified during market on open were going to be, really volatile. Now, 2 of the 3 worked. One would have been a stop. But again, we talked about it for about 10 minutes before, and a lot of people weren't going to take those trades. But if they did, two nice winners, decent winners, one nice winner, one decent winner, and a stop, you probably would have been around, down a few or up a few, depending on how you managed to trade, how many contracts you had. Again, a lot of people did not take those, but I'm going to run through everything now. We were looking for this move here, and I said, although it was unlikely, there was a possibility it happened early. So we tried to take the trade. For those of us who wanted to be in, 67.75, and that trade was a stop out for those who took it. Then the very next candle we got short, 62. Trade made 2 points. Okay, no follow through after that, but it did make a couple. And then the other market on open trade was our crude power play, which was at 35. It's 71.35, and again that trade made almost 30 pennies, more for people who held it, 50, 60 for people who held it. So those were our market on open trades that were taken within the first 3 candles of the morning. Really nice one in crude there, a couple points in the ES, and then a stop. Again, all in all, probably didn't do too well there if you took all of them, but you didn't hurt yourself that bad either. Again, a lot of people sat on the sidelines. I said we're going to let this kind of settle down a little bit and see, and we'll wait for our next trades. The next opportunity we had, again going from left to right, was in the ES. We took the ES, 10:36 Central Standard Time, 27.62, trade made up to 3 points there. Then we hit understanding trade long, the same one we were trying to hit over there, but this time it really was really nice, in the 11:27 candle. That was at 68, and that trade made up to almost 7 points. Okay, my target was up to 73. It actually went up to 74.75. So target was about 5 points away. It made a little bit more than that, and it actually never got above the top of that circle. Again, this price was called the entire time when we were in. That was a beautiful trade. And then that was the crude short. Then we got long on crude. And that was at 34 to 36. That was on the 10:36 candle. And I told everybody that it should take at least 15 to 20 ticks, potentially up to 63. It actually went up to around 68. 30 ticks plus in that trade. That was a beauty there. And then the NQ, we had a short on the NQ. Short in the NQ. That was a market on open. Here we had a long death candle. Again, that made up to 12, 13 ticks or a break even. It was because it was kind of bouncing around in there. And then we hit the NQ again, which was a really nice trade. We got in at 97. And that was some people let it pull back a little bit more, but 97 would have been the price where the highest price you would have gotten in, and that trade made from 97 well over 60 ticks. It went up to 12 quarter initially before it ever pulled back, and that was a beautiful trade as well. So we are going to come back tomorrow. We're going to do it all over again. Great day in the room. Until then, everybody have a great day. Check out our free trial, www.futurestradingcoach, and we'll see you back tomorrow.